guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a wig install. So I have bought this here from Amazon. I will put the link down in the description. It's a headband wig and it comes in this package, fashion here, another package, and I got 2 free gifts with it. I got a headband and also a wig cap. Well, it's actually 2 wig caps. So I'm gonna put on one of the wig cap before. So it comes with 2 wig caps, so I'm gonna put one over my head before I put on the and just tuck my hair up underneath. This is actually my first time wearing a headband wig. This is my first time, so I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna look, but I'm gonna try. This is how it looks out of the pack. I believe they say it's a human hair also. So this is how it looks, and then here it can be taped. The band can be taped onto your head. So let me try that. And it comes with 3 combs in it to stick in your hair. One at the back, one to this side, and another one to this side. Alright, so I'm gonna tape this around to keep it. Alright, so that actually keeps it very secure. So this is how it looks. This is the back. Alright, so this headband, I got this headband with the wig, which comes in perfect with what I'm wearing today. So I'm just gonna put it on over my head as well. Should I put this on? I think I should get this down underneath the hair like so, and then bring this back like so. So you keep that right there like so, like so. So this is the headband wig. To be honest, I think it would have been a little bit longer, but I think it looks okay. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.